Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's almost weekend Friday, May the 26th, 2023. And I've already solved three puzzles. The Sudoku with 1 star, the Sudoku with 4 stars, the binary. And it's time now for the Tectonic with 4 stars, yeah. Tectonic with 4 stars and number 6497. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one because hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. And this one has 17. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Alright. Next question, do we have here duo boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, ain't any duo boxes here. Triple boxes then, the next question. We have a triple box here. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, those numbers could be everywhere, but when you see a triple box, remember the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or 5. Here another triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. And the box near the middle box is always 4 and a 5. Well, the 5 is already filled in. More triple boxes then. No, quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Need to recognize, for example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. More? Yeah. Here, another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember, it's mirrored, this L shape, that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. More of these kind of shapes. Here, another one upside down. Or rotated. It's rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright, these 3 boxes surround a 2 can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this W area. Should be there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. And that box can also not be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area, I should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 in this triple box could be here, could be there. Alright. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 here. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 1, but also that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 here. That means that this box can be 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The 1's supposed to be here. Alright. Well, we have a double 1 there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 1. But also that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5 in this area. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. I marked this box with 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4 then. Alright, 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3, 1 and 3. That means that this box cannot be 1 or a 3 in this triple box. We have a double 1 there and a double 3 there. If I place a 1 here or 3 here, I cannot fill any 1 or any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2, and the other 2 should be the 1 or a 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2, those 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be there. And 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Right. Okay. Let me think. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Alright. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, well, I cannot place the 3 here because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area, should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, let me think. These two boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, alright. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 3, so no 3 in these two boxes. But also that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Alright. Triple box. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. This box can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4 or a 5. We have a double 4 there, double 5 there. Yeah, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left here, the 4 and the 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4 or a 5. Well, one of the missing number in this L-shaped area is a 2. Well, this box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area, I should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5 here. Alright. Yeah. Let me think. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. I should be there. These two boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 and the 3. Let me think. Well. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Well. Come on. 2, 4, 5. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, and could be a 4. Can it be a 5? We have a double 5 there. Yeah. Should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 and more. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 or a 5. Alright. And I see here we have a 4, so this box can't be 4 anymore, so it should be a 5 then. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. One box left in this area for number 4. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area. We have almost 2 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3. Here we have a 2 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there now. We have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Finish in 15 minutes. Well. And we solve it again. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Do you think so? Do you think so? Don't forget. What I want to say is tomorrow is Saturday. It's weekend, but the day after it's Whit Sunday. And the day after Sunday, it's Whit Monday. And on Whit Monday, we have no puzzles, no daily newspaper. So also no extra puzzles, no additional. So on Monday I will solve an old puzzle, old additional. So have a great and fantastic Friday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Saturday, and it's holiday. The Whit Sunday and the Whit Monday. So see you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Friday. Until then, bye bye for now.